guys, this is Mami Docros TV right now. We have a meeting with the owner of the Chelsea, CWIC. Here in, anong place ito? What place is this? What place is this?
Seafood and ribs warehouse. Seafoods and ribs warehouse.
Seafoods.
And ribs warehouse.
We are here right now, Seafoods and Ribs Warehouse, Cebu City in SM Seaside, Cebu City. We have a fine dinner with the celebrant right now, Miss Chels. She's with me. Guys, all over the world, your mom is here. Okay, this is Mami Docros TV. Throughout the world, all my kiddos. I am here with me, the celebrant. Okay, Bati. Buddy, I'm here, ha? This is my,
Partner in
crime.
I love it.
Actually, she's the celebrant. Okay. And she is the owner.
Celebrant.
She is the owner of the Chelsea, the one that I told you. Okay, right now.
Sige, maragwa na tayo gihulat. Mag-start na.
The rest, hindi ko sila kilala, pero they are the leaders and the investors of the company. Because this is my first time to join with them. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi!
This is Mami Docros TV channel. This is it right now. This is all over the world. Say hi! From what company? Sige na, magsabi.
CWIC.
Oh,
Baka
yeah.
ibang company.
The one that I'm using, the Chelsea. That's why my tummy is,
Yes.
I become
ang laki
sexy.
Diba?
I become sexy. I'm already 65 years old.
Ang talagang nag-lose talaga sila.
Ayan!
Nag-lose talaga.
Ano nga? I-serious nyo lang pag inom. Because I'm, XL ako, triple X before.
And now, large.
No, I can wear now the medium. I can wear the medium. And also, I'm using this one.
Yes.
This one. Look at me. Beautiful pag walang katabi. At saka ito naman, ito yung very good talaga to. I'm using this one. The Chelsea everyday. Kasi it helps a lot on the absorption process. So, the body needs vitamin C. At saka meron na siyang vitamin D3, may zinc, may calcium, at saka pang-immune system. Mag-lecture ako? Kunti lang. Anyway. And also the Septelion. Actually, the Septelion is equivalent to the clustered water that I'm using from Irvine, California. This is a concentrated water. This is the seed, the two. This one is used by all my patients all over the country. So guys, inimbita ako ng magandang babae dito sa tabi ko. Yan ang may-ari. Di ba? Nakita niyo, ang ganda, no? She's still young and available. So this is Mami Docros TV. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube and my page and my TikTok and my Reel. So, bye-bye! Alam nyo naman, kikay ang mami nyo. Ayun.
Wala din nakuha ticket, dahil. Wala. Huwag ka
Oh, she invited us for a fine dinner tonight. So, that's why I'm here. Oo. So, itong mami nyo, walang ginawa ngayong araw na to. Naglamierda. They are also, no? Say hi. Say hi. Yung iba nandun, busy. Busy yung iba kasi, sa totoo lang, ako na unang kumain. Kasi gutom ako nung dumating ako. Oo. Then, nauna rin ako natapos. That's why ako ngayon, nagchichismis na lang. Sila, busy-busy sa pagkain. They're too busy eating their dinner. Look at the food that she has. Hearty food. Say hi. In my YouTube channel. Yeah, Mami Do Plus TV.
To all her followers, hello.
Nice.
Subscribe.
Ito naman, galing sa Canada. Hindi mauwi-uwi kasi nawiwili sa nanay. Ayan ang nanay niya, oh. Nawiwili pa. Oo, hindi pa umuwi. Okay. Oo. Ito naman ang sister ko na maganda. Ayan. At saka business partner ko, ayan. Si Maribel. Oo. Yan, business partner ko yan, oh. Yan, oh. Sa car. Oh, nakilala nyo na yung mga partner ko. Ang gaganda, no? Oh, di ba?
Kaya lang, hilang din siya.
Kato. Oh, yan, oh, nagtago. Yung iba nagtatago. Gusto ko lang maging masaya ngayon. Kasi rest day ko kasi. Hindi ako tumanggap ng pasyente today. Gusto kong relax ang mami nyo ngayon. Oo. So aking mga anak sa buong mundo, on my Mix Molino community, Limino community, Mamix World, and Mami Duclos TV. Andito ang mami nyo ng La Mierda, together with some new friends from business partners. We have a fine dinner tonight because Chelsea celebrating her birthday yesterday, but the is today. Because yesterday kanyang mga pamilya ang kasama niya. Ngayon naman ang kanyang mga business partners. So yun. Ayan.
First time sa pamilya, first time sa
Ayun. Kita nyo na.
Thank you that Lona is not upset for her birthday.
Ayan. So, di ba, Bebu? Oo, kasi minsan lang naman din akong manglabierda. So, I'm so happy tonight. I'm able to give time for some of my few friends at saka business partners. So, right now, here is your Mami Doc. At nagsasabing good evening to everyone and good morning to other countries. Lahat ng mga anak ko dyan sa Italy, sa USA, sa Australia, Canada, Brisbane, sa Sydney, at saka sa Europe, sa Paris, Amsterdam, Germany, sa Prague. Hi! This is your mom. At saka sa Italy pala. At saka Malaysia, Indonesia. And Turkey. Dinwin, hi. And Ronaldin in Lebanon, hi. Malaysia, Sarah, hi. This is your mom. Nang lamierda talaga ako ngayon. At saka yung aking bunso, aking adopted son, Mix Molino and Tatay Jet. And my body, Lemeno, I'm here. Hindi ako talagang totoo nag-attend ako ng birthday. I'm really attending birthday right now. So, yun. Everybody's too busy. Mwah. Bye-bye.